Hey guys, my name is Larry and welcome to my YouTube channel called the 956 Studio. In today's video, I want to show you how to hook up a photo eye that goes on exterior light, either on a gate or a home or any application that's similar to that. This thing will come on when it gets dark and it's shut off when the sun comes right back up, just like you see right here. Cover the photo eye. It's got a little timer on it. Light comes on. Now, whenever light comes up, it will shut off. Easy, easy, easy to do. Stick around, let's jump right into the video. Oh, and by the way, if you gain any knowledge from this video, we ask you to hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. That way you'll be notified whenever we put out another video that's similar to this. Now let's go. Again, let's jump into the video. All right, what you're gonna have is, this is your switch right here, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's right down below. Well, this video is not gonna take that long. So I'm gonna make it short and brief and to the point. What you got here now is you got a 110 switch set up down at the bottom. This is one of my other videos, how to put this into motion, how to make this work, how to wire this up. Coming out of the 110 switch, you got an on and off button there. This would be like you got in your house set up, and maybe you got a patio light or something back there that you're trying to power up. This switch is gonna be the one that's in your house that's gonna go outside to the light. What you're doing is you're interrupting the circuit by putting in this photo wire right here, and that will control it dusk to dawn. So coming out of the switch, you come right up here, you got three wires, 1, 2, 3. You got a ground, you got a white, and you got a black. The white is neutral, the black is power, the copper wire is ground. So coming out, the black wire is gonna run over straight to the photo eye. That's gonna be your live wire, or power. Then coming out of the switch, the white wire coming up here will tie into the white wire from the photo eye and tie into the white wire going to the light. So you're going to have three wires tied in basically. This is for I had to put this in there for a simple purpose that my wires were not long enough to go from here to here. This is just nothing more than a jumper wire. You will not have that most likely. Again, you're going to go up with the white, tie all three wires together, comes off of here, comes off the switch, goes into the light. That's your neutral. That's carrying it back to the breaker box. The other thing you're going to have is your actual ground wire. Now, the only time this light is going to come on is whenever we close this circuit off, just like so. It's got a delay. We'll just turn it on. Cover the switch, the light comes on. What's happening is the power is going through the switch from this red wire back over to this wire here, going into the box. Again, I'll cover the photo eye, light comes on, daylight comes, it's going to shut off. So folks, this is very simple. Again, I'll go over it one more time. Power's coming into the switch, running out of the switch, up, black wire runs across up here to the photo eye, white wire comes out of the switch. You're going to tie your light, white wire, along with the switch wire coming out, with the photo wire coming in all together, all three on the neutral side. You got your ground. Then you've got your red coming out, going to the black on the actual light itself. So don't let that confuse you. Red goes to the live wire on the light. Well, I hope that this video shared some information that is valuable to you and that you learned something from it. You know, without you, this channel would not grow. We ask that you hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Without you, would not be where we're at now. We are trying to get 50,000 followers. Right now, we're at 31,000, pretty close. But your help promoting this video, getting it out to your friends, your brothers, relatives, or sharing it on other channels helps us tremendously. We ask that you, again, that you hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.